Life in the country is quiet and full of flowers and beautiful views, but it's also full of responsibilities, especially if you're a farm kitty like me. Ah.
Cleo, sleeping in the window again? You'll catch a cold if you keep doing that.
Sorry, Nini. It's just so fresh by the window.
Come on, you. Breakfast is waiting. We've got tuna pancakes.
Tuna pancakes, my favorite! Perfect. Good morning.
Good morning, Little Orange.
Good morning, Cleo.
Little Orange, could you clean the chicken coop today?
Sure thing, Uncle. Can we help Cleo? I think I can do it myself.
Oh, come on, Cleo, why not? Besides, you'll finish it faster.
Please. Well, okay. You just better not cause more trouble than it's worth. Okay, you three. I'll sweep and you can feed the chicken some corn. Remember to lock the latch behind you, though, okay? You got it. Huh? Oh no! Come back here, you cheeky chickens! Help! Leo! They're after us! Ouch! Ugh. I don't have time for this. Uncle Sunflowers! Gotcha! Not today, you pesky peckers! What in the tuna pancakes are they doing? Have mercy, you big beasts! This is it, isn't it? This is how we end? Ah! I know. Dinner! Come on, cluckers! Look at all this tasty corn! There we are. Nice and easy now. Sorry, Cleo. Yeah, that wasn't our finest work. It's okay. What's a day's work without a little drama? But seriously, we still need to clean up. Right. Come on, guys. Yes, let's do this right. Sweet, sweet Baba Soap Banana Sweet Bed. These eggs are going to be perfect for Nini's pancake. And this will help them keep cozy at night. We've got to keep these cluckers hydrated. Well, that was harder than I thought it would be. But you did a great job, you furballs. Turns out you helped in the end. Sort of.
Hey, you four. Looks like you've done a good job here, although you're a little dirtier than I'd have expected.
Oh my, that's some good stuff. Yeah, we had some trouble at first, but we turned it around. We made lemonade out of lemons, you could say, Nini. Yeah, I guess you could say that. Not sure we needed there to be lemons in the first place, though.
Well, as long as those chickens are happy in the end. Now come on, you lot. It's time for a bath now.
Last one back to the house is a rotten egg. Ugh. Yes, bath time. Oh, Nini. Do we have to? Haha, I'm winning. You had a head start.
Come on, Mayo. Baths aren't that bad.